Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and set up Node.js using the NVM tool, which stands for Node Version Manager. So when we go to the official website of Node.js and when we click on Get Node.js option here, you can see if you select Windows here, the recommended option also involves NVM, but NVM tool is not directly available for Windows operating system officially, right? If you select Mac OS here, then this option is available. If you select Linux option here, this NVM option is available. But if you select Windows, this option is grayed out. That means you don't have the officially supported Node package manager, right? But on the other operating system, it is the official and recommended way. Why? Because using NVM or Node version manager, you can switch between different version of Node.js very easily. And why it's important is because Node.js releases a new version very frequently. When I click on this blog option here and when I click on releases here, you will be able to see all the releases and you can see how frequently those releases are uh, published, right? So you can see one release happened on 13th of January, then other on 19th of January, and then you will see the other releases also, right? So if you're working on a project that requires the older version of Node.js, and then for your current work you require the other version of Node.js, it becomes very difficult to switch those versions using this native Windows installer, right? So that is why Node Version Manager is recommended. Now, because you don't see this option here on this official website, there is a GitHub repository, and this GitHub user have created the Windows version of Node.js and it's maintained regularly, right? So I'm going to give you this link in the description of this video, which is the link to a GitHub repository. And this repository allows you to download NVM for your Windows operating system. You can see number of folks and number of stars to this repository, right? So it's also very popular. And I will recommend you to install Node Version Manager if you are working actively on different projects. So here you can see the latest version of NVM. And when you scroll down, you can see the antivirus reports. So these are not the executable files, but just some reports for NVM setup and NVM exe. But when you scroll down a little, you will see this option under contributors and assets, right? So here you will see this option which says nvm-setup.exe. So we are going to click on this option, which is going to download this nvm setup.exe file. And this file is very small, which is around 5.4 megabytes. So it will be downloaded really fast. So just click on this exe file once it's downloaded. Let me minimize the browser also, and you can see the setup for NVM. So first of all, accept the license terms and conditions here, and then click on next. And this will be the default location where NVM will be installed on your Windows operating system. So if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just leave it as default and then click on next here. And then you can see the active version location. So whatever is the active version, its location will be this one. So if you want, you can note this location and then click on next. And then you have the desktop notification also. So all these options are selected for us, which is for Node.js LTS release, Node.js current release, NVM for Windows release, and author updates and release, right? So I'm going to click on next here, and then it's going to ask you to provide your email address, which is completely optional. So at this point, I'm going to just click on the next button and then click on the install button, which is going to show me this kind of option which says Node.js version 24.13.0 is already installed. Do you want NVM to control this version? So if you have any previous version of Node.js which you might have installed using official website, then it's going to show you this kind of message. There is no harm in pressing yes at this point. So I'm going to click on yes here, which is going to finish the installation of NVM. And then it's going to show you this option which says completing the NVM for Windows Setup Wizard. And this option is also checked for us, which says open with PowerShell, right? So just leave it as checked and then click on finish button, which is going to start the PowerShell, and it says welcome to NVM, right? So at this point, when you type NVM space hyphen V and then press enter, it's going to show you this kind of message which says the term NVM is not recognized as the name. So that was the common problem, because as soon as you install NVM and if it opens PowerShell, sometimes that NVM environment is not directly updated in your PowerShell. So you just need to close the PowerShell and open the PowerShell once again, right? So I'm going to search for PowerShell here and open the PowerShell once again. And once you reopen the PowerShell and give the same command, which is NVM space hyphen V, it's going to recognize the NVM command. Also, if you open the CMD or command prompt, this command will also be recognized. So when I type NVM space hyphen V in the command prompt, also this command is recognized, right? So you can either use command prompt or PowerShell to run the NVM commands. So in here, when you type NVM ls and then press enter, it's going to show you the current node version which is available, right? Which is 24.13.0, which is the native version which is installed already on my Windows operating system. Now let's see what was the last LTS version other than the current LTS version, which is 24.13.0. So let's go to the official website, and here we can see this version is currently installed, but the last one is 22.22.0. So we can install this version very simply by giving this command, which is nvm install and then the version. So just write v22.22.0. So you just need to write the version of Node.js which you want to install, and then press enter, and it's going to install the version which you have specified after the nvm install command. And once this version is downloaded, at this point you can see it says nvm use. So if you want to use this version, type nvm use the version name. So once again, when I type nvm ls command, now I have two versions available. And you will see this asterisk in front of this top available node version. So this is the currently selected version. So when you type node space hyphen v here, you can see this is the currently selected version. But let's say you want to use the other version, which is 22.22.0. You can switch to this version by using this command, which is nvm use and the version number, which is 22.22.0, and then press enter. And once you give this command, you might see some pop-up. When you just click on yes there, your Node.js version is switched to the version which you have specified. So when I give this node space hyphen version command now, then I can see this version is set as default now. And when I give nvm ls now, you can see this asterisk is in front of this one, and it says currently using this executable for node, right? So this is how this node version manager is useful, because it's going to allow you to manage your node versions very easily on your Windows operating system. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.